Okay, we have already installed Loom as a Chrome bar extension. If you need to refer to the previous video, please do so. And now we are ready to use Loom as a screencast application to record a screen. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use Loom to record a screen and also to record a PowerPoint presentation. So let's switch back to the Chrome browser. And this Loom, we have already installed it. And to record a screen, we just click and this will come out. Probably for the first time, you have not used Loom before. Loom will ask you to give access to your webcam as well as to your microphone. So you just click and you just allow for your microphone and your webcam to be accessed by Loom. Okay, notice that when you click Loom, you will get this box here with the different options here. And if you have switched on the webcam, then you can see the webcam here and your face here on this corner is in the form of like a circle or a small bubble here. And you can also choose to, you have option to change the size of the bubble. And I think that size is about okay. Then you can also hide or show the menu, because when you start recording, you can actually have access to the menu, for example, to stop or to pause the video. And here you can pause or resume the video, and you can start recording from here. But before we start the recording, first let's see what option that we have here. We have three options: screen and cam, which means that you can record the screen plus the webcam, just like what we have the setting currently. Or you can just capture the screen without the webcam, without your face in the webcam, or you can just capture the webcam only. But in this case, I want to show you how to do the screencast or the screen recording together with the webcam or the talking head. This is what we call a talking head here. And you can also have option to capture the full desktop or just to record the current tab where, for example, I'm in this tab now, so you can just capture or record this particular tab. But in this case, I choose full desktop. And you can see the audio here. And let's click show advanced option here. And here you have the option to choose which webcam you want to use. In this case, I have only one built-in webcam, FaceTime HD camera. And you can also choose which microphone you want to use in case you have more than one microphone. So I will choose built-in microphone. Then you can have a control menu on and the recording countdown 3 to 1 also switch on. So now you're ready to start the recording. So just click start recording and you have the option now to record the entire screen or just a specific application window that is currently active or open on your desktop. But in this case, I will choose your entire screen and then I click share. And there's a countdown 3, 2, 1. And you can see the webcam here, down here. And you can also have the menu, the control menu here, whether you want to finish recording or you want to pause and then continue again, or you can delete the recording. So now since and down here you can see menu here where you can stop the recording by clicking stop sharing here. And I'm recording the screen now, so I can just move around, go from different tab, one tab to another tab. I can play the video. My name is Abdul Karim and can go to another screen here. So by the way, this is my course, Essential Digital Tools for Student Engagement on Udemy. And yeah, okay. So basically, you can do whatever you like, and every action that you do on the screen will be recorded by Loom. So once you are done with the recording, you can now click stop sharing, or you can just pause and start again. But in this case, I just want to stop the whole recording, so I just click stop sharing. And now you can see in a few moments. Okay, so this is is the results of the recording just now. Webcam here, down here, and so I just jump by clicking the screen. I'm recording the screen now, so I can just move around, go from different tab, one tab to another tab. I can play the video. My name is so basically that's a very simple, very straightforward procedure how to set up Loom to record the screen. I forgot to mention one thing just now. The webcam can be actually moved around to the point or to the place where you want it to have on the screen when you are doing the recording. It doesn't have to be here. Okay. Now there are a few things you can do on this screen. You can copy the link and share with your students, or share on your website, or share on any of the social media, or email to yourself, or email to your to students. Or you can also get the embed link here, and you can copy this link into your website or your learning management system. And you can also, the students can also add a comment here. When they have access through the link, they can also add to the comment, and the students can have a discussion on the content or whatever that you have recorded on the screencast. Then, of course, another thing here, you can download the video. So it will download to your computer, and you can delete, or you can also set the privacy. Anyone with a link, meaning that when you share the link, anyone with a link will be able to view and watch the video. Or you can also set the password for this video. Whoever want to watch your video, they have to enter the password before they are able to watch the video. So basically that is how you can record the screen, the full screen, using Loom. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to record a PowerPoint.